Hey guys, I'm going to try to attempt to tear down this Wi-Fi 6 router. This there's another router type thing that they give you for your internet cable. I don't think it has a screw in it. I don't know. I've never torn one down before. So, from my understanding, it's just all clips. Getting with a screwdriver. And a screw one in this thing. But it's still kind of hard to get apart. Quite understand it. Need a hammer. There you go. Got a good board in it. Like I said, I can't find a screw, not one, unless they're all underneath this plastic somewhere. Well, I just seen one, but hell, that ain't gonna do nothing. My goodness. No screws. Okay. Yeah. If I can put it in the vise. Hey, make it your way. Figure it out. Screwdriver. These things. There we go. Just pop apart. This thing for all the buttons is all plastic. Trash. Board's got a nice little heat sink on it. Go figure. It's got some daggone star screws in it. I don't have a bit. I'll just jerk it out of there. So this is a Wi-Fi box. It's got a good little heat sink right there. Some kind of little chips here and here and here. Not very populated with a lot of stuff. That'd probably be a low grade board. Once you pop the heat sink off. Okay, there's another little chip underneath it. Oh. A little bit of aluminum. It's all aluminum. Some kind of little chip right here. I don't know if it'll be worth even messing with. It's probably just a low grade board, but I'm not real familiar with all these boards and stuff like this quite yet. I'm still learning. There's a little chip right there. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Some kind of little chip right there, but I can't get it out. It's got a cover over top of it. There's one board. How to get all this metal and stuff off of it. This thing here, Wi-Fi router, and it don't have a screw, not one in it either. So, I'm gonna get it apart somehow. Watch your fingers. Screwdrivers can get sharp from time to time. It's always a trick whenever you've never tore something down apart before. I see the electronics in it. How the hell do you get it apart? Sorry for your ears. Yep. Hey. There's little wires with gold fittings on the end of it. Gold fingers, or not gold fingers, but gold little clips on the end of the wire. There's I don't know why they put them in there with star clips, star screws. I don't have any out here with me. I didn't think I was going to run into that problem. This thing here's got a nice little board in it. I'll jerk it off there real quick. It's all plastic. It's a Wi-Fi board. It's got a little heat sink there and there. There's a good little heat sink right there, aluminum. Probably another thing I can't get off right now anyway. But really not much to that board either. I gotta go get a star bit eventually and take this thing here apart. I might have one right there to fit. No, too big. See if I can find one. I don't think I have any out here with me. No. Anywho, new things take longer for people that don't know what they're doing. I don't know what I'm doing, so it's going to take me a little while longer until I get the gist of it. Yeah, I don't have it started out here. I figure as much stuff as I got out here in this damn building, I'd have one. Kick this bucket out of here. One thing I hate is looking for. That's not gonna be one. That's not it either. Shit, or I guess I don't have one to fit it. Now, that's smaller than what I used to. That's smaller than anything that I'm used to, so yeah. I can't get it apart right now, but I'll get it eventually. If anybody on here can tell me anything about these boards, I know this is probably going to be a low grade board. I can't get my camera to half-ass work. Flip it over, there's nothing really on the other side. I can't get this board here off right now, but it's got a big heat sink on top, a few little telecom pieces where you put your Ethernet cables and all that stuff, a bunch of gold pin clips for the wires to hook to, stuff like that. I guess I can put them in my little gold pin bucket, which I ain't got a lot. New things. If you have any information to help me, I appreciate it. Thanks for watching.